Stan Jabalisco here. I have another New Year's resolution, even though New Year's Day has passed. And I think I'm going to add it to my stack of resolutions, which so far is one high. That resolution is to reduce the percentage of my life, which is baloney, rubbish, malarkey, from 99% to 98%. Haven't you noticed so much of what we do just in order to carry on our daily lives, especially here in America, or at least I can vouch for here in America, so much of what we do is just rubbish. Just it's stuff like picking up the garbage and from the floor, so you sweeping the floor, vacuuming, making the bed, doing the laundry. I'm tired of even cooking because you got to clean up afterwards, that kind of thing. 99% of my life has been like that. And my New Year's resolution, my second New Year's resolution for 2020 is to reduce that percentage to 98%. How about you? Stan Jabalisco signing off. Until next time, so long.